Hello, welcome to my Facebook Live. It is January 5th, 2023, my first Facebook Live on this year. And thank you so much for joining me. Let me double check on my monitor here, my voice. If you can hear me, my voice, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. And sorry to start late. I tried first of all, Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful holidays with your family and friends. I did. I had a busy holidays, but so I'm so happy now. Everything over. It's back to normal, and but we had a wonderful, wonderful holidays. A lot of gathering, a lot of parties, and so good things. So my husband and I hosted a couple parties during holidays, so I really need to clean up now our basement. Our basement's been kids game room, Minecraft room. This is Minecraft room is in I'm sharing with the kids, and my craft table is here, kids game center is over there, TV and a couch is over there. So I'm sharing with the kids, and then during the last couple of years, we really didn't have not so many people coming to our house, especially in the basement. We could host them upstairs. But so I decided to clean up our craft tables and all floors and packed away everything. So I feel so good that I think it was cleanest craft table since the COVID hit. But after that, I tried to do craft, but now I cannot find anything to do the craft, to making a one card that just taking me a lot of time. So now, hopefully, next 6 months, a year, I try to organize, and this is my shelves behind me and a drawer. So, yeah, it just kind of. I love the clean craft table, but I just messy craft table works for me to make a one card. Hi, Melanie. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a wonderful holidays. I was talking. I clean up my craft table during holidays. Now I can't find anything. So, but I managed to make a one card today, so that's I'm gonna share. Today's card is a Pinwheel Tower card. It's been out there, so many demonstrators making. I look a couple demonstrators YouTube. Here is the card. So you kind of opens up like this, and then it's like here is like what you call tower, like it's a square tower there, and then you can put on a table like this, and then you can just move around. So that's they call the pinwheel card. So if you make it, it is pretty easy. And then you might notice, yes, we got the new stamp set. This is Love Cats. If you're a cat lover, this is a cute stamp set. And this stamp set is from new mini catalog. Yes, today is the first day you can order from this mini catalog and celebration. If you order $50 product, you get a great items from this catalog for free. So this is exciting time of the stamping award. I placed an order this morning. I didn't do like a 3 in the morning. I was like maybe 8 o'clock in the morning after kids went to school. So I placed an order. So, all right, let's get started. If I don't, you know what, I don't know, somehow I updated the my computer. Somehow my Facebook doesn't show me message on the monitor. I need to really figure out. So if I don't answer your question, I will definitely answer the question later on after live. So please leave a comment if you have any questions. So all right, now I'm gonna switch the camera view. All right, hopefully I remember how to do this. Okay, just let me see. I hide the light here so you don't get sick. All right. Okay, I'm moving flip over here. Okay. I think I need to bring down a little bit close to me. Okay. Then, okay. Is that better? Maybe I'll bring down a little bit down. Okay. All right. I think we are good. Okay. So this is my host code to this month. Host code. If you use this host code when you shop on my online store, over the $35 you spend, I will send you some paper pack. Thank you. Paper pack includes 6 designer series paper, also color coordinate cardstock, so you can make the card. Actually, I can show you what I did. So I did this on the Instagram live last week. So the 6 card, I used the Dainty Flowers designer series paper. That's from Celebration. Actually, it's free item with the now I can show you inside, right? This designer series paper. Is that pretty? So I made a 6 card quickly with this one. And this one. And this one. Actually, I already sent the 1 card. So I have 5 here. And also I made this one as well for the last week in the Instagram live. So I add a flower here. I use the I watercolored die cut the flowers here. Actually, this paper has the coordinated stamp and a die on a mini catalog, but I don't have that stamp set and a die yet, so I use a different dies. This is a home flowers. Let me see. Called a flowers of home dies. All right. So these are 6 cards you can make this month, and here's the host card again. All right. Good. Let's move on to Pinwheel Tower. And this Love Cats is listed mini catalog page 13. These cats are so cute. So, all right. Let's start doing this. Let's start stamping. Okay. This is actually very simple once you figure out. And it would fit the regular envelopes. And if you don't put any ribbons and embellishment, I think it should be okay to mail as like a regular postage. That's I heard on YouTube and other demonstrators saying. I didn't write down the name of the demonstrators. Sorry, but if you type in a Pinwheel card, there is a many YouTube video out there. So okay, let me give you a dimension measurement. So you need 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 designer series paper. This is gonna be a tower right here, and you need Swiss chevet, which is right here, 2 3/4 by 4 1/4 inches. So you need 4 of them. So if you go like this, that's a half sheet of the cardstock. So you can get the those one piece of cardstock is like a 1/8 of the regular cardstock. And next things in the white, basic white, you need a 2.5 by 4 inches. So you need 4 of those. That's I'm gonna stamp. And then another designer series paper is 1.5 by 4 inches. So those 4 colors. And just a scrap if I want to decorate and maybe using a punch. All right, so that's the measurement. And the first you need to do is score this. To keep simple, I'm gonna use a score. Scoring board here. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna start this. So 1 inch, just an inch, and then 2 inch, and 3 inches, and 4 inches. And then, so you just basically I'm gonna put the red side inside, so that way when you open them, you see that this side in here. I want to show on the red side. And then add a tiny bit, make it glue here, just little line. Then you just fold this way. You're making it just flat, and then okay. So that's a cylinder right here. Then I am going to attach these red cardstock in here. Okay. Just attach. Try to close to the score line, but you do not want to over the score line. Okay. And you can do it here. And push down here. Another piece goes right here. You just slide a little. Okay, and then you open up here, and the last piece going here. Okay, so this is like a basic structure. I should really go close in here. No, it's already dry. I wouldn't touch it. Just go like this. All right, so now I'm gonna stamp. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So I am going to use first the Swiss chevet. And this little cat. It's so cute. Okay, so I just want to stamp here. Okay, I wanted to get a little tail. Okay, I'm gonna flip over. Make sure I get the tail in. So I need to go more close to this end. Good things paper has a two side. Okay, this is much better. So that's one. All right, put away. Let me close this swisher there. Red ink is always getting into somewhere. All right, that's why I don't want to have this one here. Let's see, let me get the scrap paper. See, I can't find the scrap paper right next to me. I put away everything. Okay. I find the scrap paper right here. Okay. The next one is here. Okay. Okay, which color is that? Okay, mint macaron. And I'm gonna get this rolled up cap. Okay. That's going into the bottom. Right here in the bottom. Okay, that looks good. Okay. And then next one is Barmy Blue. And the Barmy Blue cat is, oh actually I need to stamp again at those cat. Okay. Barmy Blue, oops. Just, it's like a hanging line here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I love it. Looks good. Okay, those 3 cats, and then we have a 4th cardstock, so I'm going to put all 3 in to try to fit in a 1 cardstock right here. So which is, let's see, hope I can fit everybody here. Okay, this is a Barmy Blue cap. That's good. And then I get the mint macaron again. Put in this corner. So cute. Okay, and then swish a bit. And goes here. It goes between those 2 cats right here. All right. See, it fits in all 3 fits in 1 cardstock. All right. Now I like to stamp the sentiment. Let's see. I'm gonna use crumb cake. Okay. For this one, it says head over heels about you. Okay. Does that mean to you, I love you a lot? Okay. That's cute. And then next one is I love hanging out with you. Look at this one. Wait, is that right? No, it's I didn't miss. No, that should be here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Good thing. So we have a other side. So I use that for. Okay. I'm okay. I can just stamp this one. Wait. This one head over here about you too. Okay. That goes head over. This one is head over. So that makes sense, right? And then this one has to be I love hanging out with you. All right, so that I need to bring back this blue, Barney blue cat. Okay, all right, I'm good. Okay, all right, I'm getting better. And then, oh, I need one more sentiment here. This is, I think I just, hi there, Valentine. All right, again, crumb cake. Hi there, Valentine. Okay, all finished. Stamping is finished. Now I'm gonna color, bring up dark petal pink. Now I am going to color this heart. Just quickly add the color there. So that way heart is pink. Right here. Alright. I don't know who's watching. Is it Melanie or Mary? Leave a comment for me so that way I know you're watching. Okay. Alright, so those 4 pieces. Now I'm gonna attach. So this one, yeah, I stamped wrong this one. So I like to start maybe this one. I like to bring up this in the last page. So I start hi there Valentine. Hi there Valentine right here. So this could be like a Valentine's card, right? Yeah, this is a Valentine's card. Okay, hi there Valentine, and then you flip. And either one can go, I guess. Head over here about you. Right here. And then next page is here. I have a little showing off of this Barmy blue, so okay, here. And then last page will be here. Or first page. It's all 3 cats in here. Cute. Okay. Then I am going to add these gingham designer sheets paper. Okay. And this one. And another one here. This gingham paper comes with the 6x6 and then 4 different colors: balmy blue, mint macaron, sweet chablis, and petal pink. And it's like that. I think I demonstrated this designer series paper on stage, and I love this color color combination. It's a very happy color. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Now I had a little heart here cut up from the This is again, it's a Valentine one. Country Floral Lane Sweet. This is a Country Bouquet Punch. I can use and then cut up the right here, this one. So I can add a little here. Maybe 2 of them. Maybe 1 or 2, 1 or 2. Right here. I do not want to put too many because it make it too thick to mail. Let's see. Oh, I have to. I like to have a petal pink small one here. Maybe 1 more. Actually, that big one can fit too. That would be good. Let's see here. And add another heart. 1, 2. Okay. Maybe do the red. That the extra, this glue came off. Let me wipe it off. So you want to. Okay. All right. Then if I put in here. Okay. All right. I think that's good. So this is the pinwheel card, and then it will fit right to the envelope, and then you can mail it. I think it's not too thick. I think the regular postage will work for this card. Okay. All right. I hope you enjoyed this project. Sorry I made a couple boo-boos, but it's okay. We can fix it. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave a comment for me, and I will check the comment. It doesn't show the comment on my monitor. And here is a new catalogs. And, here's a new catalog and the celebration start. Don't forget to use the hostess code. And if you have any question, please let me know. And if you don't, if you like to get the catalog from me, please let me know. I love to ship these catalog to you. Oh, Melanie, yes, now I can see your comment. It says such a happy card. Yeah, thank you so much. みつこさん、ムースさん、かわいいですね。作ってみたくなりました。ありがとうございます。コメントありがとうございます。ぜひぜひ作ってみてください。はい、ありがとうございます。I will post these video, these instruction to the YouTube. Or, you can watch on the YouTube, and I'll post the picture and the measurement and later on the Facebook page, also Instagram too. All right. I will do the Instagram live every Tuesday, 9 a.m. and the Facebook live is Thursday, 7 p.m. I hope you can enjoy, and then I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.